Hi again. We are test driving Transit Custom Euro 6, which came in with a Adblue faults, and counter kicked in to say engine won't be possible to restart again. We fixed this van with all the problems. So you're driving your van. How does it feel compared previously?
Much better.
Is it responsive?
It is.
Do you think it's a better driving experience?
Much better.
Much better.
Much better, yeah.
That's good. That's good. Can you see any black or white smoke?
No.
Nothing. Okay, excellent. Well, this is a narrow country roads.
Yeah,
Obviously, it needs more
easy.
attention to drive.
Do I go
Turn
right?
left. We're turning left now.
Where do I go left?
Yes, left. You can reach us with your DPF problems, EGR, Adblue, NOx, XSCR, and power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke, turbo problems. We are the masters. We are also quantum tuning ECU programming center and Ghost immobilizer fitting center too. My telephone number is 07533636194. You can reach me whenever you like. My name is Errol, and thanks for watching. Thank you.